Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products in the same category to help you make smarter buying decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for all the drone enthusiasts out there. We'll be comparing the DJI Mini 2 SE and the drone with camera. So, let's dive in and see which one comes out on top in various categories. Let's start with the price. The DJI Mini 2 SE is priced at $339, while the drone with camera comes in at a more affordable price of $129. If you're on a budget, the drone with camera might be the better option for you. When it comes to portability, both drones have their advantages. The DJI Mini 2 SE weighs less than 249 grams, making it lightweight and portable. It's perfect for taking on hikes, road trips, and other adventures. On the other hand, the drone with camera is also compact and lightweight, allowing you to easily carry it in your pocket or backpack. So both drones score well in terms of portability. Flight time is an essential factor to consider when choosing a drone. The DJI Mini 2 SE offers a maximum flight time of 31 minutes, which is impressive. Additionally, the combo package comes with 2 additional intelligent flight batteries, giving you a total flight time of up to 93 minutes. On the other hand, the drone with camera provides a flight time of approximately 25 to 30 minutes with its 2 rechargeable batteries. While both drones offer decent flight times, the DJI Mini 2 SE takes the lead in this category. Now let's talk about the camera quality. The DJI Mini 2 SE features a high-quality camera that can capture stunning aerial shots and record professional-level videos. It also offers easy-to-use shooting templates in the DJI Fly app, allowing you to create amazing content with just a few taps. On the other hand, the drone with camera is equipped with an HD 1080p camera that can capture great photos and videos. However, it doesn't offer the same level of advanced features and shooting templates as the DJI Mini 2 SE. So, if you're looking for a more professional camera experience, the DJI Mini 2 SE is the way to go. Finally, let's talk about the additional features. The DJI Mini 2 SE boasts an advanced transmission range of up to 10 kilometers, allowing you to fly farther and capture more. It also has a high wind resistance of up to 38 kilometers per hour, ensuring stable flights even in challenging conditions. On the other hand, the drone with camera offers features like one-key takeoff landing, altitude hold, and smart app control. It also has real-time image transmission and various creative functions. While both drones have their unique features, the DJI Mini 2 SE offers more advanced capabilities. The DJI Mini 2 SE is highly recommended for its professional-level features, longer flight time, and advanced capabilities. On the other hand, the drone with camera is praised for its affordability, compactness, and good camera quality. Both drones have received positive reviews from customers. And there you have it. We've compared the DJI Mini 2 SE and the drone with camera in various categories. Overall, if you're looking for a drone with professional-level features and a longer flight time, the DJI Mini 2 SE is the top choice. However, if you're on a budget and looking for a more affordable option, the drone with camera is a great alternative. As always, make sure to consider your own needs and preferences before making a purchase. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Thanks for watching and see you next time on Buy Smart.